Do you really know what marketing is? You've probably heard the word marketing 1,000 times. But is advertising the same thing? What's the difference? And most importantly, is one better than the other? Let's be clear from the start. No, they are not the same. It's crucial not to confuse marketing with advertising. While they may share similar goals, they are very different concepts. Marketing includes all the strategies and actions that help companies achieve their objectives, increase sales, or improve brand perception. It involves studying markets and consumer behavior, aiming to attract, convert, retain, and build loyalty among new customers. One of marketing's most powerful features is that it fosters exchanges. It's the concept of, I give you this in exchange for that, to meet a need or solve a problem, often with an economic benefit. But for this to work, there must be at least two parties involved, or sometimes more. Something of value must be promised to the consumer. Both sides must make concessions, like a company might lower the price and the consumer adapts to market demand. And there must be a two-way communication. Marketing is no longer a one-way conversation. The customer must be at the center, able to express opinions and be heard. Marketing today is about listening, not just impacting. And marketing and sales shouldn't operate in isolation. They must work closely together. Without marketing, there are no sales, and without sales, we don't know the real pain points of our customers. In short, the true art of marketing isn't about selling. It's about understanding the customer and offering the right solution at the right moment in the buyer's journey. So, what's advertising then? Advertising is a form of communication aimed at increasing product or service consumption, improving brand image, or repositioning a brand in the consumer's mind. It involves strategies focused on promoting what a company offers to its B2B or B2C audience. Media outlets are often the main channel used to launch campaigns and spread awareness. The final goal? Conversion. Advertising provides the information needed to support the customer's decision-making process. It's known for its creativity and persuasive power using impactful messages.
Whatever you do, you can't win. So win.
So what are the main differences then? Marketing focuses on planning strategies to promote a product or service. Advertising, on the other hand, helps communicate that offer to potential customers. Just as marketing includes tactics like email marketing, inbound, or SEM, advertising includes channels like digital ads, billboards, social media, TV, radio, cinema, or flyers. Ad campaigns aim to grab attention, always based on an ideal customer profile and journey, so that the advertising is truly personalized and effective. Before, audience segmentation was difficult, but thanks to digital data, today we can create hyper-targeted campaigns that reach the right people at the right time. Got any other marketing concepts you'd like us to explain? Drop them in the comments and we'll cover them in future videos. And if you want to dive deeper, we're leaving you with a full free course in digital marketing so you can master both basic and advanced concepts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.